Hello students! Today we're going to talk about biogas and how it produced. My name is Linus and this is Jacob. So Jacob, what is exactly biogas?
Well, biogas essentially is, well, it's a gas, and biogas is can be found in a number of different things, such as old food products and manure.
Okay.
Every animal in the world, such as us or mostly cows, they also produce biogas. Yeah, because
but we those two.
Yeah, we do too. It's like
nice.
It's basically, well, when you do that little, when it comes to the sound, it's very bad. Yeah, that's a sensitive biogas.
Okay.
But biogas, the biogas is actually called methane gas.
Now that we know a little bit more what biogas is, now Linus is going to explain to you how you actually make the gas, or how it's produced rather. Hope you enjoy.
So, biogas is produced when organic material decomposes in an oxygen-free environment. The process works like in just putting manure and food scraps in the one end and the gas comes out on the other end of the pipe. But obviously there is more to the biogas production than that. Now we're going to explain the process in a bit more detail. The first thing that happens in that biomaterial is brought through the pipe into the preparation chamber, where material is heated up to about 70 degrees to get rid of any bad disease the material may carry. Then the material goes into the main chamber that we showed here and the one before. The gas is picked up from the materials. The main chamber is also called the gas tank. You can think of it like a giant belly where the food is disguised and gas is sent out.
Now, before the biogas actually can be sent out and used, you need to actually make it into something that you can use. Because when the methane gas is done being produced, it's not really ready to be used, because you can't use it in cars, you can't use it in electricity. Now, in order to make it usable, you need to send it to an operating system, which can either make the gas into a fuel, for example cars, or into electricity to power your house, for example. Now, if you make it into a gas that the most of the biogas factories actually do, then you need to make sure that the gas has the same energy value as the gas in the top of the pipe, which is an underground network of tubes that gathers and collects all biogas and sends them to the gas stations around the world. Now you do this by adding another gas called propane. After this is done, they simply just send it out into the biogas network. And the reason for why they do, like most biogas factories actually make it into fuel instead of electricity, is because it's not just because they get more money, but it's actually better for the environment, because the fuel that we use now for our vehicles is called gasoline. And it's, as you probably know, but what you may not know is that it's very bad for the environment. But biogas, if you start it correctly, it doesn't affect the environment at all. So it's very better. So if you want to help the environment, you should use biogas in your car instead of gasoline. Now, an interesting fact is actually that almost all the buses in Sweden actually use biogas. Now, I hope you enjoyed this quick little video about what biogas is, what it can be used for, and how it's produced. And we hope you learned something new. This was all from us. The end.